A chef all the way from Sicily is teaching Texans how to cook some authentic Italian food. You got to get this going, right?
Yes, Annalisa Pompeo with GoSicily is on her fall Texas tour right now. What brings you to the United States?
First of all, thank you guys for inviting me. I'm super excited. I'm in Texas, in Bryan, thanks to my friend Margie Montalbano. She's a travel agent. She owns Andiamo Travel, and she arranges travel all over, but she's specialized in Sicily and Italy. So I'm a chef. I do cooking classes and food tours in Agrigento area, that is south of Sicily. Even if I didn't study as a chef, I'm an accountant, but this is a long story.
So you come and you have parties in different people's homes. I know you just came from Dallas. You're in Bryan right now, and you have lots of menu items. Today, you're going to show us how to make homemade pasta.
Of course, I'm showing you homemade pasta that is so different from the idea that people maybe have to make pasta, because in Sicily, we don't use eggs to make our pasta dough. So we only use semolina flour, water, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil.
Wow, 3 ingredients, that's it.
That's
Three
it.
ingredients to make a shape of pasta that is typical of my area, and is called cavatelli.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Ready.
Let's do it.
All right, so like you see, this flour is more like a corn flour, but is a semolina. Semolina comes from durum wheat, and Sicily is very well known about durum wheat because is the weather that make the difference, right? So we start just making a hole or a volcano like Etna that we have in Sicily, the biggest volcano in Europe, and we just try to make this dough that the final consistency we are looking for is more like a Play-Doh, you know?
Okay.
Like a Play-Doh. So we start making a little bit of water, little by little. The doses are more like a cup of flour, half cup of water, so very firm. Right? We don't need pasta machines. Even if you want, you could put everything in the food processor on the hook, you know, the KitchenAid. So what we need to do is just pressing and collecting all this flour in this way. So no eggs. So this pasta is vegan. Right?
Okay.
It's a vegan pasta.
And it's unbleached flour.
Bravissima. It's unbleached. Do you know what that exactly means? That all the nutritions, all the good stuff are here. So it's a yellow also for this reason, because we are not bleaching this flour. So look, I'm just pressing.
You did that so quick.
Right? Yeah, I'm, you know, a little bit of experience.
Just a little bit.
And we just want to use this one just so we can, because we don't have a whole lot of time, so we want to show how to roll it, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
We are just doing a kind of demo. And it's a little bit messy here, but it will be clean in a second, because we will collect all the crumbles here. And once we do this, I give you a piece.
Okay.
And you are making your own pasta.
Make my own, okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Yes, we're ready to do it.
All right, so right now I'm putting a little bit of extra virgin olive oil just to give a little bit of moisture, right? Even because we don't put oil in the pasta pot.
Oh, in the
right?
you don't, okay.
No, we don't. And then
This is different than
I know.
we would think to make it on
yes,
your
it's
own.
completely different. This pasta dough doesn't need to rest, and there's no problem of over kneading.
Okay.
So you guys, you can also make pasta the night before for the day after, if you want to save time, and tomorrow, the day after, you will be just ready to cook it.
Sounds
right?
good to me. Okay.
All right, so now we split a little bit to you,
Okay.
a little bit to me.
Okay.
Feel the consistency on your end.
Oh, wow. This
right?
is like Play-Doh.
It is like Play-Doh.
I told
Wow,
you.
okay.
And
You
then
wanna roll.
we need to roll and make like a grissino. Do you know what a grissino is?
No, ma'am.
It's like a breadstick.
Oh,
right?
mine broke.
Big like a finger.
Okay.
Show me your finger. Oh, a little bit skinnier because you have a big hand.
I do have big hands.
Okay.
So a little bit like this,
Okay.
right? Oh, I'm
sorry.
sorry. And
Wow.
then I can give you little pieces, maybe in this way.
I'm still on step one. Get over here.
Don't worry, you are doing well. And I can give you some pieces in this
Okay,
way.
so we're going to use yours.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now what do we do with these?
Right, and now I show you what do we do now. I'm lefty, so I'm using my left hand, but
Okay.
look at what I do. We need just to cover all these little pillows,
Okay.
right? And I press and roll. So this is our cavatello.
Oh, mine didn't roll.
Right? Let me try. Let me help
Okay.
you.
Okay.
So
All right.
your thumb has
there we
to
go.
be in this way. Let
Press
me
and roll.
be sure. Give me your hand.
Okay.
And so just press and roll.
All right.
All
Well,
right.
we're gonna try to finish these up during the commercial break. Annalise,
Yes.
thank you so much. I learned so
Thank you so
much.
much, and we
Thank
will put all
you.
this online.
Yes.
And you can go to the website to book her. She's booked for this season, but next year she'll be back. So
But
Yes,
they
she
can
will.
come to Sicily.
Come, yeah, go see her in Sicily.
Harmony, let's come.
All right, we'll see you. We'll
Thank
take that out the.
Thank you,
We'll take
guys.
that out the station's account. Okay. All right.